Hello there. In this video, you will learn how to easily create talking animated avatars by giving your voice to them. Similar to what you are watching right now, I'll also teach you how you can create talking avatars that use a voiceover created by using an AI text-to-speech engine like this one.
Hello there, I am Joe, and I am happy to have you on this channel.
The best part is that you will also learn how to create avatars for different professions, cultures, and ages. Exciting, isn't it? Let's begin. Here are 5 simple steps that you must follow to create your own talking avatar. Step 1. Creating the avatar. To create the avatar, we are going to use a tool called Animaker. You can open this tool by clicking on the link in the description, or search the words Animaker Avatar Maker in your browser and click on the first link. Now click on the Create Your Avatar option. You'll be asked to create an account. Once that is done, the Character Builder tool will open in a new window. The best thing about Animaker's Avatar Builder is that you can build characters of any age, size, or ethnicity. Now you have to select the type of avatar that you want to create. I am going to show you how to create a regular adult male avatar. Now we have to select a basic style to continue. Start customizing the selected avatar. We can start with changing the skin tone. Next, we have the option to change the hairstyle. Then we have the facial structure, mustache and beard, different eye shapes, eyebrows, nose, lips, ears, and so on. You can also customize the avatar's attire with various options available in the library. You can even add accessories like shoes, hats, jewelry, watch, and mask. Once you have customized the avatar, you can save it using the option at the top. Now click on the Create a New Project option to use this character in a video. From here, you can select a template or create a custom video by selecting the Blank Project option. Let's create a blank horizontal video project. A new project will open in a new window. On the left hand side, you can see the library with the character section in open. Here, you can find all the 2D characters that you can use in the project. At the top, you can find a section called My Characters, where you can find the custom avatar that you made. Let me hit the View All option so that I could see all of my custom avatars that I previously created. Let me click on the new avatar that we created now. The avatar will appear on the center part of the screen. This part is called the workspace. Right side of the screen is called the Scenes section. Scenes are similar to the slides in a PowerPoint presentation. As several slides combine to form a presentation, several scenes together form a complete video. At the bottom, we have the timeline. You can edit and animate the avatar added to the video using this timeline. Within the scene timeline, we can see a colored track. It represents the character that we added. You can drag this track to control the character's visibility. For example, if I want the character to be visible between the 1st and the 7th second, I have to drag its edges and keep it between the same duration. If we preview, we can see that the character appears at the 1st second and disappears after the 7th second. Step 2. Adding the voiceover. With the avatar selected, you can see a list of options at the top. You can customize the avatar using these options. To add the voiceover, we have to use this option called Lip Sync. Once you click on the option, we can see 3 more options to add the voiceover. Using the Record Voice option, we can directly record and add our voice to the video. Click on this blue icon over here to record your own voice. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are learning how to make talking animated avatars. Now you can preview the recorded voice. If you want to re-record, you can use this option over here. You can apply the recorded voice using this option. You can find the voiceover tracks under the overall timeline. Let's look at the other options that we have to add voiceovers. The upload voice option lets you upload audio files and add as a voiceover to the avatar. The text-to-speech option lets you use the inbuilt AI text-to-speech audio generator to add the voiceovers. Type the voiceover you want as text over here. Now you have to customize the voiceover using the options on the right hand side. Select the gender for the voice. Then you have to choose a language for the audio. You can choose from more than 200 languages. I'm selecting the US English option. Now you have to choose from the various voices that are available. Let's try out a few of the voices.
Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are learning how to make talking animated avatars.
Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are learning how to make talking animated avatars.
Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are learning how to make talking animated avatars.
I like this one. You can further customize the audio using the options over here. You can control the speed, pitch, and volume of the voice. You can also add break and breathing effects between the words. This auto-enhanced feature will make the audio human-like in a single click. This feature is available only for the premium users. For this video, I'm keeping my own voice as voiceover for the avatar, so I'm not adding this voiceover. Right now, the character is standing in a white background, so let's apply a background to it and have a look at the lip sync voiceover that we added now. You can find the backgrounds under the background section of the library. Once you click on a background, it will be applied to the scene. You can also add a video or an image from the library as a background. But for this scene, I want a 2D background. Let's preview it. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are learning how to make talking animated avatars. Cool, right? Step 3. Animating the avatar. We can see that the avatar is standing still. Let me show you how you can animate it. To animate, we have to select the action icon over here. Now you can find more than 600 plus unique actions that can be applied to the avatar. We can use the search option to find an action. Now click on the action that you like. We can also change the expression of the avatar. There are more than 20 different expressions. I want a happy expression for the avatar. Let's preview the animation that we applied. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are learning how to make talking animated avatars. There you have your animated talking avatar. Step 4. Adding advanced animations. Right now the avatar is doing a single action, but what if I want the avatar to do multiple actions? For example, I want the avatar to walk into the scene and then say hello, and finally it should start talking. So the first action would be walking, and the second action would be waving, and finally it should do the talking action. So there will be a total of 3 actions done by the avatar. Let me select the first action, the walking action. As I want the character to walk into the scene from outside, let me keep the character outside the workspace. To add the second action, we have to use this option called Action Plus. Now click on the plus icon and select the second action. It should wave and say hi once it reaches this place. So I am keeping the second action here. So the character will walk and it will move along this dotted line, and once it reaches this place, it will do the second action, that is the waving action. On the timeline we can see 2 thumbs. They represent the duration at which each of the actions will appear. I want the character to take around 3 seconds to walk into the scene, so let me give 3 seconds as the distance between both of these thumbs. Let me add the next action following the same steps. I'm clicking on the plus icon and selecting a new action. Now adjusting the timing of this action and finally applying it. Let me adjust the voiceover track that we added to match the new actions that we applied to the character. For that, I am opening the overall timeline and moving the voiceover track a bit. Let's preview the scene. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are learning how to make talking animated avatars. We can see that the character is standing there even after the voiceover ends. It is because of the extra duration on the scene. If we open the overall timeline, we can see that the voiceover ends at the 8th second, but the scene extends till the 10th second. So we have to reduce the duration of the scene by dragging it till the 8th second. As the final step, let me add a music track to the video. Open the music section of the library. Here you can find more than 30,000 copyright-free music tracks. Keep the pointer over a track to preview it. Click on a track to add it to the video. Let me reduce the volume of the track so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover track that we added earlier. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are learning how to make talking animated avatars. That is how easy it is to create talking animated avatars using Animaker. Now in the same way, we can add more scenes and complete the video. To add a new scene, click on the Add Scene option over here. Now we can add the character, voiceover, background and complete this scene. Step 5. Downloading the talking avatar video. You can share this project with someone through email using the option over here. To download the talking avatar video, click on the Publish option over here. Now further click on the Download Video option and the Download option. Your animated avatar video will render in a few minutes and you will see a download link. Hope you learned how to create animated talking avatars. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you are interested in learning more about AI tools and animations, then remember to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon.